Today they are continuing to pothole the area to check for existing utilities. Specifically, they're continuing with the one location that they excavated on Wednesday, but we learned yesterday that of a possibility of additional fiber optic lines that would be underneath the oil lines. And so the contractor is currently excavating, is going to go 3 feet left and right of the oil line where the fiber optic lines were anticipated. And from there, we'll see what shows up.
What you got?
It's not showing me anything about
No?
that. Just our fiber optic.
Okay.
That's it.
Which is yours?
All of them.
All of them are yours?
Yeah. And it's always a foot above our pipe.
Potholing is very important when it comes to introducing new infrastructure into the area because you don't want to hit whatever is already in the ground. So whether it's sewer lines, electric conduits, or high pressure gas lines, you want to avoid hitting those lines and avoid any conflicts.